Hi, today we're going to learn about the true meaning of the vertex form. Now, the vertex form looks like this. F of x is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. Now, what do each of the variables mean? Now, f of x could be also considered as y, so I'm going to put y to the side. And a determines if the parabola will be upside down or thin or thick. So let's say the parabola was negative. The parabola would go like this. Now if the parabola was positive or didn't have anything, then it would go like that. It also determines how thin or thick it is. If the parabola is 2, it would be thinner than if it was 1. If it was negative 2, it would be thinner too, like that. However, if it was thicker, if it was half, it would be bigger, it would be thicker. So this resembles half, negative half. This resembles 1, negative 1. And this resembles 1. And this resembles half. And this resembles negative half. Now, let's move on to the next variable, x. Now, as we didn't know, x and y are the key components in the parabola. So, if you're trying to find y and you know the x value, you plug in the x value to find the y. And you'll also know all the h and the k and the a. And then you can find the y. Now, let's move on to h. H and k are both the vertex. They're the way to find the vertex. So, if you were to find a vertex, it would be looking like h, k, where h is the x and k is the y. So, let's say we have x minus 4 plus 3. The vertex would be 4, 3. And the reason why it's not negative 4 is because it's only doing the h value, not having the negative in there. The negative has no factor in what the vertex is, unless it is negative 4. Then it would be negative 4, because let's say if it said plus 4, x plus 4, then this would be negative 4, because subtraction, when you multiply two negative numbers together, it becomes positive, and we have the square over here, which means you multiply the two together. So, today we learned about the true meaning of the vertex form.